Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Siri not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue when Siri is not working on my iPhone? So first of all, you have make sure Hi Siri is set up correctly on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on Siri and search. Then number two option, listen for Siri and press home for Siri is turned off on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have go back from here. So then second solution, you have restart your iPhone while Siri is not working on your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restart and then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have disconnect earbuds or beats earbuds while not using them. The following wireless earbuds and headphones from Apple support Hi Siri. AirPods second generation, AirPods third generation, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max. These AirPods is Hi Siri for working on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have check Siri language. So then you have again open the setting and then you have click on Siri and then you have check from here. So then you have uh, check Siri language. Then is turned on your iPhone. So then you have cancel on my iPhone. So then you have seen language and then you have English, South Africa, United Kingdom. I will select United Kingdom or United States. Then you want on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and then you have check from here. Then other solution you have while Siri is not working there. uh, Fifth solution, turn off low power mode on your iPhone. Then you have click on battery and then you have click on low power mode is disabled. I have already disable on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. Then you have click on general, click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you have must be available install on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.